Hello friends, in this video I will show you how can register account on DeepSeek app. DeepSeek app number one AI app. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you download a DeepSeek app. App Store or Play Store have available this app. Using this app, you can get the any answer to your question very easily. Click here sign up. And friends, this interface open ready. First you writing your email ID. Click here and here need to choose password, so any password you can choose here, and next have confirm password. I choose ready friends. Click here send code. When I click to send code, this interface open ready, and you see here have writing click on the smallest green triangular pyramid in the picture. So I click here. Captcha is solved ready. So after that I receive one OTP in my email, which email I register here. So that OTP I writing here. Click here and click to sign up. And click here start chat. So friends, I writing here world best country for living and click here. So you see here friends, within a second I get ready answer. So like this you also can write here any question, or within a second you can get answer. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.